So we've had a lovely evening this evening with Dr. Qiyam and Reverend Tom Thomas as Christians and Muslims together at St Christopher's Church here. As a Christian community, it was our honour to welcome our Muslim brothers and sisters into our church, and to have this evening where we heard about the Islamic beliefs about the return of Jesus and the Christian beliefs about the return of Jesus. And we heard things that we agree on and some areas where we really strongly disagree. But we did it with a smile and with friendship. And that's been one of the important messages for this evening, is that these are truths that we hold on to really deeply and dearly, and even when we disagree, we can still be really strong friends. Disagreement doesn't have to lead to violence or to antagonism, but it can still hold on to strong friendship. And that's been one of the great pleasures of this evening. And the fact that people are still here and won't go home yet, you can see how much they've enjoyed it. So thank you.